I'm gonna try the it's not really a challenge once you figure that out. If you want to eat this like a boss, look for the number, the side the number's on. Don't bite that side, bite this side. Specifically right there. So towards this part on this side, where the number's not on. Looks like I'm holding you, Jim. So probably this one would pop right there. This section here. Assumably as close to this little vine as possible. Well, that's a leaf. I'm not gonna bite this because after eating, it feels like a dozen of these, it tastes really, really, really bad. Or I just want to puke. Either way, not a fun time. It's fun if you want to do like a little. Maybe I hate them right now. Can't think of any fun I'm having currently. But yeah, that's